Replacing headlight bulbs on Toyota Tacoma is a relatively easy process. You've got plenty of space to work with, and if that's not enough, you can always remove the battery or the washer fluid tank on the other side to get to the bulb. First, remove the wiring harness. It should slide right off. Next, take out the rubber dust shield. Release the spring clamp and take out the old bulb. This generation of Toyota Tacoma is using size H4 bulbs, but you can also consider upgrading to LED lights. And if you're interested, I'm going to post the links for both options down in the description area below. The installation position for the new bulb has one tab pointing up and two tabs pointing down. Install the new bulb in the reverse order of removal. Make sure that the dust shield is snug around the bulb socket to prevent moisture and debris from getting inside your headlights. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks, bye.